20 years ago, if someone dreamed of being an actor, then they used to catch trains to Film City. For business success, an MBA was the path. And to sell, door-to-door visits were the norm. But then came the internet and everything flipped. Now, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter aren't just social hubs, they're goldmines for influencers. Take a dad who made a video showing his son how a baseball works. Now, he's got over 7 million fans on YouTube, earning big bucks every month. And this is the power of internet. In the whole history, the biggest revolution came after the printing press is of the internet that has changed things very fast. Intel's Andy Grove once said, "Soon, every company will need an internet connection to survive." TV's reign is fading, and people are getting smarter by the day. Today, instead of buying things just because of TV ads, people check out reviews online and do some digging before making a purchase. They trust their favorite influencers' recommendations. This means every influencer is like a brand now. Today, I want to share some insights from Eric Jorgenson's book, The Almanack of Naval Ravikant, that reveal what real wealth is. We'll also talk about how the power to sell things is shifting from companies to influencers in the future. Plus, I'll show you how you, using platforms like YouTube and Instagram, can build a business that earns lakhs every month. Recently, I saw a picture that said, a businessman buys bananas for $1 and sells them for $2, making a $1 profit. An entrepreneur buys those same bananas for $1 and sells banana juice for $10, innovating and making $9 profit. But an influencer? They buy those $1 bananas, research their nutrition and benefits, make videos about banana recipes, and spread awareness on the internet, earning thousands of dollars over time. Just imagine the profits. But remember, it all comes down to having a clear purpose and intention. Dear knowledge seekers, your support fuels our passion for creating enriching content on LearnLib. Hit that like button to show your appreciation, share our videos to inspire others, and subscribe to never miss out on our insightful book summaries. Together, we can make learning accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Patagonia, a clothing company, believes in improving rather than expanding excessively. They recognize the environmental impact of using certain chemicals and materials in their products. So, they committed to being environmentally conscious from manufacturing to distribution. In 2011, they launched the "Don't Buy This Jacket" campaign to combat excessive consumerism. Their goal was to encourage people to think before purchasing, even from them. Despite using organic and recycled materials, they acknowledge the environmental impact of their processes. They urge customers to keep and wear their products for years or donate them rather than buying unnecessarily. This commitment to ethics and transparency has built immense customer loyalty. People now proudly buy their $900 jackets because they trust in the brand's longevity and purpose. The founder, Yvon Chouinard, at 82 years old, sees this campaign not as a strategy but as their core purpose. By prioritizing purpose over profit and growth, Patagonia hasn't faced a shortage of customers or money. Few companies share this ethos of improving rather than just growing bigger. I'm personally inspired by this ideology. It shows that earning millions online starts with earning people's trust. Here from this we came to know that we have to make our personality the part of our product. Because people can copy everything but they can't copy our personality. Naval Ravikant says, seek wealth, not money or status. By exchanging your time with money, you can earn a living. But wealth can't be created. To build wealth, you will have to build such equity or some asset in any business that earns for you also during sleeping. Friends, two things are involved in any work of the world: risk and reward. And in most cases the relation of both are equal. Means, high risk is equal to a high reward. And low risk is equal to low reward. Which is called symmetric opportunity. But in the opportunity where the reward is high compared to the risk, that is called asymmetric opportunity. Once Naval Ravikant told 10 such asymmetric opportunities, in which reward is more in comparison to risk. For example, it took 1 hour for me to make this video. But when lots of people will see this, then only 1 time's efforts will result. 1,000 hours of output in form of watch time. And this is the biggest benefit of internet business. That you can replicate your income. If I talk about theater artists, then he has to give a performance every time to earn money. If today he has performed in USA, then tomorrow it will in Dubai, and the day after tomorrow it will in India. But when this artist will be ill, or didn't give his performance due for any reason, then that day he will not earn money. But a revolution come from the internet. That, if you have capabilities, then you don't need to lick the soles. The artists to whom TV shows reject. They make their own brand with the leverage of the internet. And earn money and respect both. Rich mom dad teach their children that they should focus on a thing that they can replicate. Like the royalty of intellectual property. Like J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter only once. But even today, when someone bought books, toys, or games of Harry Potter, or visit the theme park of Harry Potter, then some royalty that is little money goes to J.K. Rowling's pocket. In short, she had worked only once. She made a pipeline of money by replicating in toys, games, park, and movies. If someone asks me what work I do, then I can tell that I'm a little digital farmer. I sow seeds of contents whose crops generate revenue year after year. The most benefit of being a company of one is freedom. You can do anything and anywhere. In the internet business, your competition is worldwide, not with the people on the street. So you will have to make a brand by targeting in any specific niche. Think Media founder says, if you try to reach everybody you'll end up reaching nobody. People teach dance on the internet. Teach cooking. They even teach repairing or tailoring and earn lakhs. Only you need to be specific in any one field to be successful in the online world. I have one more example of getting easy success online. But before that I will ask you a question. Do you like clay? But most people don't like clay. But Jorgenson liked clay since childhood. So he used to read about the soil. He used to research in that field. Who buy it? Who sell it? Which quality of soil is good? Etc. He used to make people aware about the home gardening soil by making videos. And soon he made his own brand. And after that, big fertilizers and home gardening companies started approaching him. And with the help of brand promotion and affiliate marketing, Jorgenson, instead of working alone, made $1 million company. See, many people think they will become rich when they will study hard, or do a big job, or some big work. But the fact is that, what the thing you are working on, if you have a genuine interest, and there is also demand in the industry, then you can turn soil into gold. And you can become a millionaire. The author says that the chances to become a millionaire for self-employed people are many more compared to job workers. There was a time when oil used to be an innovation that made J.D. Rockefeller rich. There was a time when cars used to be an innovation that made Henry Ford rich. But this is the time of the internet that made Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos rich. This was my small try to tell you that in the coming time, people will trust the genuine influencer more than the big mega company. And with this trust, you as a creator or influencer can also make lakhs of rupees. Whether your interest is in any field. But I think that you are a brand. If you don't believe it, no problem. But when you will realize, then you will definitely remember me. And lastly, I will tell you that this is the only one and very short concept of the book, Almanack of Naval Ravikant. If you want to know more such concepts of the book, comment more, and I will bring more informative and interesting concepts from the book. And if you want to buy this book, the link of the book is in the description below. Please check it now and get your hands on this masterpiece. To all our amazing viewers, your support means the world to us at LearnLib. Thank you for being a part of our journey. If you haven't already, please show some support to us by subscribing to our channel and also like our video and share it to your friends and family. Together, we can transform reading into an exciting adventure. Thank you.